what's up guys? It's your boy Alex with the Inside Scoop. So today I just wanted to do a quick review on another prop firm that I have discovered that I really love. It's Kortana FX, and I recently got a 200k challenge from them. I got two 100k challenges to make it 200k, and I was able to pass my challenges in one day. So Kortana does allow the use of HFT bots, which I used, and I was able to successfully pass the challenge. You can see my certificate right here, just indicating that I passed. All right, so let me just take you real quick so you can kind of check out some of the details here for Kortana. So one of the cool things that they do have is you can actually work your way up to a 7-day withdrawal. Okay, so starting out, it's 14 days, but then once you have 3 successful withdrawals, then they bump you up to Kortana Prime, where they're kind of making you like a VIP member, and you can withdraw literally every 7 days. Okay, and they also have the opportunity for you to earn 100% profit share. Yeah, that's right, 100%. And for me, I've not seen any other prop firm that allows you to work yourself up to 100% profit share. Like normally it's 80% or 70%, but Kortana does allow you to grow to this level here. So it says your first payout is 70% profit split, and then every 2 weeks they increase it every 2 weeks until you reach 100% and Kortana Prime status within 60 days. So that's pretty cool. Now you can see here that they do pay out as well. Let me show you a couple of their Trustpilot stats. So they're 4.55 rating on Trustpilot, which is a really good rating. This person says, "Hi, I'm trying to test as many prop firms as I can. Kortana just purchased an account, receive account details quickly, update passed, move from phase 1 to phase 2. It was quick." So they do have 2 phases, but man, it's really quick for me to pass both phases. And then scrolling down, this person says payout received in 1 hour. So here's somebody confirming that they did get their payout received in 1 hour. I've been in the industry since for a while, but I never saw speed like this. Hope they continue to be this way. So that's very cool. And the date of experience was very recent, guys. November 14, 2023. So just 4 hours ago, this person chimed in that they got a payout. So it's always good to see prop firms that are paying out and stuff like that. So man, I'm starting to really like Kortana, and I'm going to definitely get several accounts with them. All right, let me keep scrolling through. In a world full of scams and companies that don't pay, I'm surprised to receive my first payout in just a few hours. So somebody else there saying that they got their payout, earned my approval for sure. Reliable and trustworthy prop firm. So a lot of Trustpilot reviews there. Now the only thing is that like when for example you use an HFT bot to pass, there are additional rules. But let me just first walk into if you pass regular or normally without an HFT bot, then of course withdrawals is every 14 days, but it scales up to weekly. And as well, the first withdrawal is 70%. So this is normal. Okay. First withdrawal 70%. Withdrawal 2 is 80%. And then withdrawal 3 and 4 are 90%. And then after you make your first withdrawals, you graduate to Kortana Prime program, and you can now request withdrawals every 7 days from your first day, plus 100% profit split. Oh man, that's nice. Okay, so now those using HFT bots, again, I use an HFT bot to pass. So if you have any issues like passing your challenge, just reach out to me on Telegram, guys, and I'll help you to pass your challenge. Okay. So they said, okay, as a result of HFT, they must change the payout structure a little bit. Those who use the HFT to pass the 2-step challenges will have the following payout structure. So first, a payout eligible within 21 days of the first trade. All right, so 21 days you get paid out. And the first payout is a 50% profit share. Now, what I like about this is that, remember before I was raving about Nova, and Nova is still really great. But Nova recently implemented after November 1st for challenges purchased after November 1st, a 6% cap on the profits that you can make. So 100K at Nova, you can make maximum 6K, and 200K account you can make maximum 12K, which is still really good money. But Kortana doesn't have that 6% profit cap. So that's why I'm really liking Kortana right now, and considering even getting more accounts at Kortana. So the first withdrawal, of course, 50% profit share for those using HFT to pass. Withdrawal number 2 is 70%. Withdrawal number 3 is 80%. Withdrawal number 4 is 90%. And then after you same deal applies as the one above. After you have made your first successful 4 withdrawals, you get bumped up to 7-day withdrawal structure with 100% profit split, guys. I'm loving that. All right, so let me just go scroll down. Of course, no time limits on the challenges. Scroll down so you can just kind of see like the cost of the different challenge packages that they have. So they have a 10K account for $139, a 25K account for $249, a 50K account challenge for $379, 100K. This is the so I did 2 100K challenges, but I could have just done one 200K challenge and it would have been like probably even better. Yep, I'd have saved money. I do have a discount for this, guys, so that you can actually save 15% when you buy any of these challenges. The link is in the description of this video. All right, so 100K challenge is $575, of course, and then take off 15%. And then 200K challenge, $999, take off 15%. Okay, so you can find the link in the description of this channel. But yeah, I'm loving Kortana, man. I'm loving Kortana, and it's good to see that people are getting paid out on Trustpilot. So that's always a win and a plus. All right, so if you need help passing your challenge, just reach out to me on Telegram, guys. And you can also find the link to Kortana in the description below, as well as the discount coupon code. All right, if you have any questions, again, feel free to reach out to me, guys. Take care. God bless. Have a great day.